Today I'll be taking you on a tour of yet another amazing Valley of the Sun home for sale. If this is your first time to our channel, my name is Shawn Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team, and we make videos all about Arizona. So if you're thinking about moving in or to the Valley of the Sun, all of my contact information can be found below, and we would be happy, actually honored, to get you moving. But for now, let's dive into this beautiful Valley of the Sun home for sale presented by the Mr. Rogers Homes Arizona real estate team. That's a pretty nice house for sale in the Valley of the Sun, and it could be your home. All you have to do is contact us to set up a no obligation private showing of it or any other home for sale in the Phoenix metro area. Until next time, please take care. God bless America. Talk to you soon.